Hey guys, so according to multiple online sources, OnePlus is preparing to launch two powerful 5G devices, including the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, also known as the Extreme Edition, and the OnePlus Ace 5 Racing Edition. Both devices are expected to launch on the 27th of May and are expected to be offered in multiple variants. In this video, we'll explore the top features of the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and have it in mind that these features may not be entirely correct, so make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the rumored OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is shaping up to be a compelling smartphone. The device has a thickness of just 8.1mm and it weighs 206 grams, complete with dual nano SIM support and water resistance. Its visual experience promises to be exceptional with a 6.83-inch LTPO AMOLED display featuring 1 billion colors, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and Dolby Vision, all at a sharp 1272 by 2800 pixel resolution. Under the hood, the device is expected to run the Android 15 with ColorOS 15 custom skin, powered by the cutting-edge MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus 3nm chipset that is backed by the Immortalis G925 MC12 GPU. Memory options are generous, ranging from 256GB to a massive 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage, all paired with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, though there's no card slot for expansion. Photography duties are handled by a versatile dual camera setup on the rear, featuring a 50MP wide-angle lens with face detection on the focus and OIS, alongside an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. Video recording capabilities are strong, supporting up to 4K at 60fps with gyro EIS and OIS. For selfies, a 16MP camera is included. Other notable features include stereo speakers, though the device doesn't support a 3.5mm headphone jack. It supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, comprehensive navigation support, NFC, and an infrared port. Charging is a highlight, with a massive 7000 mAh Li-ion battery along with 100 watts wire charging. Security is managed by an under-display optical fingerprint sensor. The device also supports Face ID, complemented by a full suite of other sensors. The phone is expected to be available in blue, black, and titanium colorways, and the starting price of the device is expected to be around $700. So these are the top features of the upcoming OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.